How to get your YouTube site approved by Adsense. Getting your YouTube channel approved by Adsense for monetization involves several steps. Here's a guide to help you through the process. 1. Meet YouTube's eligibility requirements. 1,000 subscribers. You need at least 1,000 subscribers. You need 4,000 watch hours. Your channel must have at least 4,000 valid public watch hours in the last 12 months. Sign up for an Adsense account. You must have an Adsense account to receive payments. Content guidelines compliance. Your content must comply with YouTube's community guidelines, terms of service, copyright laws, and Adsense program policies. 2. Set up an Adsense account. Create an Adsense account. If you don't already have an Adsense account, you'll need to create one. Go to Adsense and sign up using the Google account associated with your YouTube channel. Link Adsense to YouTube. After creating an Adsense account, link it to your YouTube channel. Go to YouTube Studio, click on Monetization, and follow the prompts to connect your Adsense account. 3. Enable monetization on your YouTube channel. YouTube Studio access. Go to YouTube Studio, studio.youtube.com. Monetization section. Click on the Monetization tab on the left-hand side. Apply for monetization. If you meet the eligibility requirements, you'll see an option to apply for monetization. Follow the steps to accept the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, terms and link your Adsense account. 4. Review process. YouTube review. Once you've applied, YouTube will review your channel to ensure it complies with all of their policies. This process can take a few days to a few weeks. Approval notification. If your channel is approved, you'll receive an email notification. You can then start earning money from ads and other monetization features like channel memberships and super chat. 5. Optimize your content for monetization. Content quality. Ensure that your content is original, high quality, and adheres to YouTube's monetization policies. Consistent uploads. Regularly upload videos to maintain and grow your channel's engagement and watch time. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that resonates with your audience. 6. Follow Adsense and YouTube policies. Stay compliant. Continue following YouTube's guidelines and Adsense policies to avoid demonetization or suspension. Avoid copyright issues. Use only content that you have the right to use or that is free from copyright claims. By following these steps, you should be able to get your YouTube channel approved for Adsense and start monetizing your content.